Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'll be doing a site review on the website called 24S. Never heard of it before until I was watching one of Mel and Melbourne latest video, and she was featuring how this particular website was selling a lot of exclusive products from LV. So when I was going into their website, I was like, oh, they actually have a lot of very unique LV products that I've never seen on New Zealand websites or heard of. And so I was like, okay, in the beginning I was like, okay, is this actually a legit website? And then did a little bit more research. There's not much review on YouTube, so I would say that this is a fairly new website. Maybe, don't quote me, but I feel like this was a fairly new website. But if Mel and Melbourne say that, you know, this is a website that she recommends, and one of her latest videos she also recommended again, I was like, you know what, I'm gonna give it a try. Because when I was browsing, they also showed that if you're a new member, you're able to get 15% off. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna jump on this bandwagon, gonna give it a try, because there was one bag that I was wanting on my wish list, which I bought, and they had it, and I was like, okay, if I get 15% off and also got cashback for 3% as well, and I was like, you know what, this is actually a great deal. The shipping as well was also really good, because if you spend a specific amount, I think 300 euro or pound, sorry, I don't know the currency, but I'll put it here so you guys will see, and it will be free express shipping as well. So you just have to pay for duty. So I was like, oh my god, this is so good, because I don't like dealing with duties in New Zealand because they take a really long time. So I rather shop from website that already include import and duties for me, so that, you know, it just gives me much more of a smooth shipment and service and experience. So I was like, you know what, gonna give this a try. The website stock a lot of different brands like Balenciaga, Givenchy, Bottega, obviously you know LV, Celine, Gucci, Loewe, Valentino, and yeah, so a lot of websites, I don't know, for me personally, like my Teresa, Farfetch, Net-a-Porter and stuff, I don't see them sell LV products, you know. So, and even if they sell LV products, it might be just secondhand products, so especially Farfetch. But with 24S, I like that not only were they selling LV products, but they were selling exclusive products that you can't really get here, but you get them because they are from Paris. So I feel like, yeah, this website is from Paris, so maybe that's why they have much more variety as well, which I thought was amazing. Now with the website, it was also really easy to browse. You can also select whether you want the male version or the female version. So obviously I went to the female one. One thing you gotta keep in mind when you do shop, if you're not from Paris or from the state, is to make sure that you actually select which country you're actually shopping from, or for, you know, where you're from and where you want to ship it to. Because one mistake I did was that when I wanted to get this bag, I was ready to actually pay, and when it was time for me to put my address, it says that it was out of stock, and I was like, how can it be out of stock when I was just pressing add to bag? And what happened was that I realized it was because I didn't select my address. It couldn't pick up whether they have the product available for it to ship to my country. So I feel like some of the products is only limited to some particular country, but they will have it available. So with this one, it took me about 5-6 hours to actually figure out that, okay, it's not that it's not available, it's that I have to make sure that I have to actually sign up and actually put my details in, my shipping address, details and stuff, so that when I actually click add to buy, it automatically change into a New Zealand shipping to place, and then so it shows that it is actually available for me to actually purchase. I hope that makes sense, but you just gotta make sure that before you do anything else, before you make a purchase, just change the bottom of the tab bar to your selected country, so that you make sure that the product is in stock. Man, that was a long one, but I hope that makes sense for you guys. And with the shipping, it is DHL shipping, so obviously it was free, and it gave me a good amount of estimated delivery. It says that it would take 2 weeks to arrive, but this only took less than 5 days, which I was super shocked with, because I didn't expect it to be that quick, and yeah, so they ship out really quickly and arrive really quickly as well. I think part of the reason why they gave such a long estimated delivery is because of the whole COVID, the restriction, and depending on how many flights is coming into the country. So it was good that they gave you a much more longer duration of time so that you don't really have that expectation that it's gonna come at like really quick, so that when it comes a little bit quicker, you're like, oh, it actually feels really good, you know. But and this is the box, is obviously the back because I don't want to show you my address at the front. But yeah, so in the thing, it also shows whether you want to have it like a gift box and it's complimentary, so I also chose that one. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open up this now because I really want to show you guys the packaging of this, because I just think it's really amazing. Look at that, it's like a little pop-up. How cool is that? Look at that. I really don't want to check out this box because I'm like, you know what, like this just makes me want to go to Paris, because I was supposed to go in Paris in May, but that didn't happen. But this really makes me feel like I'm in Paris and I bought this in Paris. But anyway, so yeah, this is the 24s.com gift box, so I'll just take it out now. At the back, it came with the receipt too. Now, what I found funny was that they put the receipt all the way at the bottom, so that when custom actually opened this up, they actually couldn't find it. So it took them a day to actually figure out that the receipt was actually at the bottom, and they actually opened up my this box as well, and they actually ripped the sticker, which is really annoying. But anyway, so this is the gift box, and it's magnetic. And it also comes with this little card here, which I actually haven't opened yet. So let's see what's inside. This is like a return guide if you want to return it. But yeah, it says mercy, which is really cool. But it's just a little guide of like how to return this if you don't want it anymore. But yeah, and so like custom, they actually just rip it like that, and I'm like, it was so painful, but it's okay. So let's open this up. I'm sure you guys can see. So this is the back. But what I want to show you first, I know I'm taking a long time with this, but I really want to show you the bottom of this gift box as well. Look how cool this is. It's basically all the attraction places in Paris. Oh, I just love the little details that they put in the two boxes. It's just amazing. But yeah, so I got something from Givenchy. Hopefully I say it right, but I probably said it wrong, and one of you guys will probably correct me. But anyway, this is the mini Antigona black in mock croc. So yeah, I wanted this for a long time, but I just didn't want to pay full price for it because I know that eventually there will be a sale. So I was waiting, and I was actually hoping to actually get it during the Black Friday sale somewhere. But you know, when this website turned out, I was like, you know what, gonna give this a try. And can you see how beautifully wrapped they have? Oh, this one has already came off. Oh no, wait, it hasn't come off. Maybe it has, doesn't matter. But this is all like bubble wrap, paper wrap. I've never actually opened this yet because I was leaving it for the video. So let's unwrap this babies up now. It also came with a tag here, which I think you gotta leave it on if you wanna, yeah, return it. But I'm gonna actually take it off now. So this is how the bag looked like, and I also emailed them to ask them whether it actually came with an actual box, and they say that they just don't provide it. We just they only provide the desk bag, so that is okay. But at least I asked, you know, just in case. But this is 100% calfskin leather, but obviously the crocodile effect, and it all has like the gold hardware, and it's gold here as well. And this is like really like sturdy. And also I didn't realize that the top handle here is actually stands straight up. I thought it might be a little bit flexible for some reason. So then I was like, I had a place that I wanted to store it, but I was like, you know what, because of how the handle was sitting quite high, it doesn't fit in the shelf. So I'm like, but it's okay. This is how it looks like, and then the back and the border has a leather leg as well. And I'm gonna open this up, which I actually haven't opened yet, so it actually opens up very easily. And I heard that the opening is actually quite small, but we shall see. So the strap is in here, and this is obviously a detachable strap as well. On the strap you can also see the brand here as well engraved to it, which is awesome. And I love the little gold hardware stud as well. The back, it has like a little like gap here, or like it looks like a little dent, and you basically just put the hook in here and it just stays on apparently. But I know that some people say that this is a little bit of a downside, because what if it actually drop, what if it, you know, it just doesn't stay put, like how are you gonna fix it? But yeah, but so far apparently a lot of people say that it's okay. But yeah, we'll give this one a try. But obviously I haven't used this bag, so I can't really give you my full thoughts on it. But yeah, so this is how it hangs. There's a lot of padding in here, which is great because I like to stuff my bag, so that's good that they provide lots of padding inside. But yeah, the opening is definitely quite small. The inside it's just fabric lining, and on the inside, the front has like 2 pockets here that you can like slot little items in, like lipsticks maybe, but I wouldn't be doing that because what if the lipstick cap comes off? But and then on the other side, the back side, it has like a zip at the back as well that you can put little stuff inside. I don't know if you guys can see because everything is so dark, but yeah, little zip pocket here too. With this bag, I feel like I can put a decent amount of products inside, and with me, I don't really carry a lot of things, but I'll show you guys what I usually put in anyway. I would usually put my phone, so I slot it in. I put like a cushion pack inside, and then like a little pouch of like my makeup products, like my lipstick, cotton bud, eyelash glue, just slot it in. And then I have my LV key pouch, just put it in as well. And then I also have my Gucci Mammon card holder. So that's pretty much what I usually carry, and you can actually feel that's quite heavy already just because the bag itself is actually quite heavy. So I feel like that would be all the stuff that I would usually put. I could possibly put like maybe a scarf in there during winter, maybe like a thin scarf, I don't know, or like glove. But other than that, anything else I wouldn't put anymore because it is quite heavy. But yeah, but it does look really nice. I'm gonna close it up now. I just love how the zip is so big. Like, I don't know why, it just looks chunky but nice at the same time. But yeah, I'm really happy with my bag. It's just so cute. I told myself I shouldn't get another black bag, but I'm like, you know what, with this one it has to be black. They do have like a beige version as well, which I know Chase Amy got, and it looks really nice. But I was like, you know what, I really want to get my black one, so I did get this black one. It's just so pretty. I just love the croc effect. It just looks really nice. But can you guys hear that? Maybe I shouldn't be doing that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys are interested in the website, I'll put it down in the description box below. Definitely recommend them because customer service is amazing, and like the packaging, it's great. Like, it came safely, you know, like there was no trouble at all. And I would also put the website where I got my cashback from. You guys are interested, put it down here for you guys to check out too. But yeah, any more questions in regards of this bag or in regards of 24S, definitely put down in the description comment box below. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.